Hey guys, sorry I haven't made a video in a while. I've been, just busy, like, going a lot of places. And so, I was on YouTube, and I saw this video, Pink Stylist, which you should check out his channel. He is awesome. Pink Stylist. He like, does a bunch of makeup tutorials, and like sometimes he goes on Omegle, like Jeff the Killer on Omegle. He does like awesome makeup and stuff, so you should check out his channel. But Jeff the Killer goes on Omegle. So I went on my tablet, which I'm recording with right now, and got Omegle. So I'm gonna post the picture, because I screenshot this guy that was being very sexual. So when the guy went on Omegle, there was no that kind of stuff, but there's a lot of people over there, like 20-something-year-old female, or whatever. It was just really weird. So this is what it looks like when that happens. I'll post the picture over this, but it'll be either at the beginning or the end of the video, or the middle. I don't know where, but it's just freaking weird. Like, so if you are threatened by any of that, do not go on Omegle. Like, comment, subscribe, and link below. And I'll see you guys in the next video, okay? Bye!